If you have all that knowledge, you know how to change behavior, AI cannot do that right now. You need to be able to change behavior, keep people accountable to change that behavior, and you will get a lot of clients, but more importantly, you will keep clients. AI just gets better and better and better and better and better. You need to keep upskilling your skills as well, because people will still want to train with you. Programming is going to be able to be done within minutes. The actual data analysis part is just going to level up. You're going to be able to get a lot more data to analyze very, very fast. All right, team, what's going on? Episode 110. I'm super pumped to share with you today. We're going to go through why AI is about to wipe out 80% of personal trainers. So forgive me, I'm a little bit sick, but we're going to get through it as best as we can. So I've got a couple of points I want to go through today about AI. This is exactly the same as what happens when something new comes out. Same thing happened with the internet, with Instagram, TikTok, blah, blah, blah. There's early adapters that win. There's people who wait until everyone else is doing it and they eventually try and catch up, and there's people who are against it and they never win because they never adapt to change. And if you're not thinking about AI, talking about AI, getting involved with AI, you're just going to get left behind. You know, gone are the days where you could just write a training program, nutrition plan, and check in with people every now and then to keep them accountable. That used to happen and used to be fine for the average PT, 5-10 years ago. But with AI coming, it can do all those things instantly, create tailored plans, both macros, tailored training programs. I literally have played around with even Trainerize, Everfit. They've got AI builders in there. It can do a lot of the stuff that trainers spend hours doing. Okay, so the key here is the way that I see AI going in the fitness industry is the ones who use AI to help their business, help their clients, are the ones that are going to win. Not the ones that try and get AI to replace them and just completely do nothing for their clients, because clients still crave human connection. Okay, that's the number one thing. People get a PT for the human connection, okay? Nothing can replace human connection, okay? Not in probably our lifetime, in my opinion. But in terms of what you can get done in the amount of time that you can get it done in, I think it's gonna be the best time. The next 5 years is gonna be friggin' amazing. Because programming is going to be able to be done within minutes instead of hours. Nutrition plans are going to be done within minutes instead of hours. And you can get AI to not only respond, but analyze your client's data to give you insights into what you can change, what you can implement to get the clients the best results. So the actual data analysis part is just going to level up. So you're going to be able to get a lot more data to analyze very, very fast. So you're going to be super, super productive, which means you can take on more clients. Okay, you can either take on more clients and make more money, or you can take on the same amount of clients that you probably are right now, but you can get a lot of time back, which means you can do not whatever you want, but you can do more things with your time. So I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm super pumped for the AI revolution. And I literally just downloaded OpenClaw. If you guys don't know that, it's your own AI personal assistant that actually does stuff for you, not just brainstorm back and forth like friggin' ChatGPT does. Okay, so this is super exciting. And as of right now, OpenAI bought OpenClaw. It's going to advance very, very fast. It's going to be pretty accessible to the general public very, very soon. They're going to have their own personal assistant that can do stuff for them. And as I kind of experiment with AI over the next couple of weeks, I'll make some more podcast episodes in terms of what you can, what you can't do. There's obviously that security issue in quotation marks if you are listening rather than watching the episode. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow that this year. And Spotify, of course. But I'm going to keep you up to date with my movements in AI. As always, I'm going to test all this stuff first before I give the right information to my clients, because there's a lot of AI companies starting up and most of them won't make it. So you've got to pick the right ones to actually use to move your business forward. So this is how I see it playing out. The ones that are just doing basic programming, nutrition, some accountability, are just going to get left behind. AI can pretty much do that already. The ones that are going to inflict behavioral change, understand human connection and human psychology, are the ones that are going to get the best results. So you need to be able to help people with not only their training, their nutrition, their sleep, their recovery. You're going to have to become like a one-rounded wellness coach for people to want to train with you. Of course, AI can give you all that information for the client, but if you have all that knowledge, you know how to change behavior, AI cannot do that right now. You need to be able to change behavior, keep people accountable to change that behavior, and you will get a lot of clients, but more importantly, you will keep clients. Because as AI just gets better and better and better and better and better, you need to keep upskilling your skills as well, because people will still want to train with you. And the second thing I want to make sure that you guys understand is you guys also need to be building your personal brand, especially if you're wanting to get clients online. People will buy from you, your own personality, your own experience. No one can take away your experience. No AI bot can take away your experience, okay? So you need to be building your personal brand. You need to start posting on social media. Get yourself out there. Be yourself. Don't just try and fake it. Just be yourself. People will love who you are, okay? The right clients are the ones that love you for you. Okay, don't try and fake it. A couple of other points that I want to make super clear here. The ones that actually start taking action now, there's something like a 0.01% of people are actually using AI agents right now out of the world. So I'm already actively using AI agents. If you imagine how good it was when Instagram first started, for example, to get clients, it was so easy. You can put up a story and people would just like buy. Now it's a lot harder because people have done research. They need to do due diligence on you to make sure you're the real deal before they buy. People's attention span. People who started on, like I wasn't a big fan of TikTok. I didn't capitalize on TikTok at all. The people who crushed it on TikTok are the ones that went all in on it when it showed signs that it's going to be like the next thing. Okay? This is exactly the same scenario with AI. If you're not, I'm going to make it super clear. If you're not getting information, surrounding yourself with people who know about AI, implementing AI, trying AI, testing it, well, like not going all in. Like I'm going all in on AI, but you don't have to go all in, but you need to at least test put your toe in the water with AI. Because I promise you, you will save time. It's going to take you a bit of time to learn the skill, but once you've got the skill down pat, it's going to save you a bucket load of time. Right now, I'm hoping it's going to help me not eliminate some of my team, but reduce so many team members that I need to run my business the way that I do. There's so many good things that are going to come from AI. But I just think people need to really understand how to create connection with their clients, build relationships with their clients. They're the ones that are going to strive. They're going to use AI to help their clients get better results and help them save time. It's going to be a win-win for everyone. The clients are going to get better results, the people that are using AI, because AI is going to help you with the data analysis and suggestions, and you can obviously coach based on your own experience. Then it's going to save you time with marketing, lead generation, etc., etc. Then you can go do the things that you want to do as well. So you're going to get the freedom that you wanted. So I'm super bullish on AI and its potential. The one thing that you do not want to do, you don't want to try and completely automate everything in your business, automate client delivery. So like, for example, if you're an online coach, you do not want to completely automate programming, automate nutrition coaching, automate check-in responses. There's no human connection with that. You're just going to, unless you're going to sell it at super low ticket, $20-$30 a month or something, then I think that could work. But realistically, I think people are going to want to pay premium for human connection, behavior change, by all aspects of health and fitness, recovery, supplements, sleep, training, nutrition, all that type of stuff. That's just my personal opinion, of course. Who knows what's actually going to happen? But I'm all for the ride. I'm going all in on it. I would just encourage you guys to just do some research on it and see what's possible. And don't just live under a rock with this AI stuff. Don't leave it to the last minute when everyone else has done it to get on board with it, because you'll thank me later. Already AI is being a huge game changer in terms of efficiency, productivity, client results. Like in our program in PT Mastery, we've got an AI bot that can answer people's questions 24/7 while I sleep. I've trained it all on my content. It's got all the content that I've ever done, all the podcast episodes, and our clients can talk to the bot 24/7. Get some faster results, okay? That is the power of AI. So 80% of PTs are going to go left behind. Just watch. And I'm excited for the ones that choose to take action, choose to be in a community filled with people that are leveraging AI, like ours in PT Mastery. So if you guys want help in growing your business, learning AI, implementing AI safely, effectively, and efficiently, then send me a message right now. Let's have a conversation and let's see if we can get you on track so you don't become another statistic in PTs that have failed because they aren't willing to learn something different. Peace.